but there's these stupid viewers. There's these stupid idiots in
I'm
Target.
not recording again though.
There's these stupid idiots in Target that were gay. Like seriously, preppy gay. So stupid. They were preppy, and they kicked Letty, and they were saying furries are stupid. Why don't we wear shoes? We're so stupid. I'm like, your mama, and I'm like, your mama made you wrong. You were made as disgusting, boring humans. Take those damn shoes off. Okay, we can bargain more people. It's so preppy slay to bargain people. They say we're not slay. We're so gross, but we're not so gross. Therians are the best, right? My mom got Riz. Your mom got Riz. So preppy slay, right? I can just record outside the car, man. It's easier. Boom. Slay, preppy slay, preppy.